Это интересно.
А?
У этого момент.
Kick your ass.
Тут ничего нету. Ромок. Даже не надо включать.
Это морковода больше стоит, чем это. Я сама мне сейчас помогите.
Fast. I'm not too old to kick your ass. Reverend, is it some conspiracy? Crucified for no sin, no revenge beneath me. Lost within my plans for life, it all seems so unreal. I'm a man cut in half in this world, left in my misery. Reverend, he turned to me without a tear in his eyes, nothing new for him to see. I didn't ask him why. I will remember the love our souls had sworn to make. Now I watch the falling rain. Oh, my mind can see now. Well, I guess you took my youth and gave it all away. Like the birth of a newfound joy, this love would enrage. And when she died, I couldn't cry. The pride within my soul, you left me incomplete, all alone. As a memory is now unfold, believe the word.
I will unlock my door.
Sometimes when I'm alone, I wonder aloud if you're watching over me. Someplace far above, I must reverse my life. I can't live in the past, then set my soul free. Through all those complex years, I thought I was alone. I didn't care to look around and make this world my own. And when she died, I should have cried and spared myself some pain. You left me incomplete, all alone, as the memory still remains the way we were.
The chance to save my soul,
And my concern is now in vain.
believe the word, I will unlock my door.
And past the cemetery gate,
The chance to save my soul,
and my concern is now in vain.
believe the word, I will unlock
налево. Только не отпускай газ. Вот здесь направо.
Право и налево.
Да? Давай, 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 давай. И налево.
Оп.
Молодец. Красавчик.
Я тебя обниму. Я тебя... Охуеть.
Вот так машина твоя едет. Ты хочешь едь туда, остановись. Подожди. Во-первых, один момент. Поднялся